In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a timer on a Google Form quiz. The ability to add a timer is crucial for educators, trainers, and anyone looking to administer timed quizzes or tests using Google Forms. Google Forms is a versatile tool, but it requires a bit of maneuvering to add specific functionalities like timing a quiz. We will walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can implement this feature with ease. First things first, you will need to sign into your Google account. Head over to the Google Forms homepage. This is your starting point. Once there, sign in using your email address and password. If you've used Google products before, this step should be familiar. Once you're signed in, navigate through your dashboard to find the form you wish to add a timer to. If you haven't already created a form, now would be a good time to set one up for your quiz. After selecting your form, look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This options menu is where a lot of the form customization magic happens. Click on it to proceed. From the drop-down menu, select Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, an extension store for Google Apps, where you can find all sorts of add-ons to enhance your forms. At this stage, you're going to use the search bar in the Marketplace. Type in Timer plus Proctor Google Forms to find the specific add-on we need. This add-on will allow you to not only add a timer to your Google Form quiz, but also have proctoring features if you need them. Once you've found the add-on, go ahead and install it. Installing add-ons is straightforward, but ensure you review the permissions it requests before you confirm. After installation, you'll need to head back to your Google Form. This time, you will notice a new puzzle piece icon in the top right corner near your Google account avatar. Click on this icon to view your installed add-ons. Select the Timer plus Proctor Google Forms add-on from your list. It should open a sidebar or prompt that leads to its settings. In the settings or configuration part of the add-on, you'll find options to set up your timer. You can specify the exact amount of time quiz takers have to complete the quiz. Ensure you customize the timer settings to match the requirements of your quiz. You might also explore additional settings to tailor the quiz experience further. Lastly, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, all you need to do is distribute the form to your respondents. You can share your Google form in several ways, but the most straightforward method is to provide the link to your intended recipients. By following these steps, you will have successfully added a timer to your Google Form quiz, making it an effective tool for timed assessments. Remember, the usefulness of Google Forms extends beyond just quizzes, and with add-ons, the possibilities are nearly endless. Happy form making and quiz administering?